A square plate of size 1 meter into 1 meter and weight 350 Newton slides down an inclined plane with a uniform velocity of 1.5 meter per second. The inclined plane is laid on a slope of 5 vertical to 12 horizontal and has an oil film of 1 mm thickness. Calculate the dynamic viscosity of oil. You have to find out the dynamic viscosity of the oil. So what is given in this question? Area, that is 1 meter into 1 meter, weight, that is 350 Newton, and U, that is 1.5 meter per second. So here what is given? This is 12, this is given, and this is 5 given. So if the angle is theta, so the value of tan theta, that will be 5 by 12. This is 5 by 12. So from here you can get the value of theta, that is tan inverse 5 by 12, that is equal to 22.62. And thickness, which is given, that is 1 mm, that is equal to 0.001 meter. You have to find out the viscosity mu. So if you want to calculate the shear stress, so shear stress, we know that tau, that is equal to force per unit area. So force per unit area, so here the force which is in downward direction, that is W sin theta. So W sin theta by area. So put the value here. So W, what is the value of W, which is given, that is 350 into sin, what is the value of theta, that is 22.62. And what is the area? 1 into 1, which is given in this question. So from here you get the shear stress, which will be 134.6 Newton per meter square. Now if you want to calculate the viscosity, so from Newton's law of viscosity we know that tau, that is equal to mu du by dy. So from here mu, that is equal to tau upon du by dy. So what is the value of tau? That is 134.6. And what is the value of du by dy? So what is the value of du? That is 1.5. 1.5, this is given in this question. And what is the value of dy? That is the thickness, that is 0.001. So if you calculate this value will be 0.0897 Newton second per meter square. And if you want to calculate in poise, you want to multiply it with 10. So 0.897 poise. So the answer will be 0.897 poise.